What's up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing a Karura gaming keyboard. It's a so-called gaming keyboard and a silent keyboard from uh, Redragon. I was looking for something very cheap and which has illuminated lights for the keyboard. I didn't want to spend too much money because I hardly play any games. I just want a basic keyboard where I can have some lights, illuminated lights when I type when it's really dark. So I was looking for something decent. I saw a lot of good reviews on this one. This costed me $1,200 on Amazon India. So let's see how good it is. Let's unbox it. Yep. I'm just gonna quickly scan through on the features, on what it says on behind the keyboard. RGB backlight brightness, 25 key rollover, all that good stuff. So MRP is 1,790, but I bought it for 1,200 on Amazon, and it's March of 2020. So let's open it up and check it out and see if this is any good for a basic gamer. All right then. So unboxed it, and pretty good USB cables, braided, and it's nice and well built. I'm just not very impressed with the bubble wrap it comes in. I would expect something a little bit more decent. Well, okay, I'm going to plug it in and come back to you, and then let's go through what's good about this keyboard and the pros and cons. Okay, so it's all plugged in, and okay, regarding the build quality, it's pretty solid. It doesn't make any quickie noise like it does it in my Rapu. This is pretty solid for the price. Doesn't bend over, doesn't bend much. Sorry guys, I'm just doing it in one hand. The lights, I'm happy with the lights. It's nice and clear. But this has got a nice matte finish, so it feels, that's what I do. I hate glossy stuff. This is nice. And listen to this, guys. This is really good. I'm sure, I hope my mic picks it up. Okay, this is me typing WAD. Okay, this is on a standard keyboard. So if you're looking for something really silent, because I hate those clicky noises, this is so much good. Okay, the space bar makes a little bit of noise, but the rest is all literally, it's very quiet. Okay, that's all I wanted. It's very good. Very good. For the price what I paid, this will serve me very good. Okay, if you're looking for something nice, silent, not clicky, and the rest, I'm happy with the rest. It's just really good. So if you're looking for something nice, reliable, I would definitely recommend this. I might play some CSGO and some Call of Duty Warzone on this, and if there's anything to be reported, I'll get back to you. But if you're planning to buy something at this price point from Redragon, I would definitely recommend. Go ahead. Thanks. Until next time.